5 quick ways to address hallucination risk in generative AI. You can tap the comment. The question came up in the context of LLM as a judge. Great question, by the way. The answers apply more generally to non-judge models and multimodal models. So we don't even need to restrict ourselves to the text modality or language models per se. It can be multimodal models and AI agents. The first thing you can do is accept the risk outright. So the purpose of a solution that's using generative AI is to improve some end user's experience, to expedite their workflow, to automate something. Very often we can do this even accepting occasional hallucination. You could augment this with user training to expect that there may be hallucinations. Say, hey, this tool is giving you a draft of some content, make sure that you review it. So include a human in the loop for a quality assurance layer. The second thing that you can do is improve your test set and your training data. So just like with any data science project, any statistical project, more samples of data, more test cases, more confidence. We're going to be able to improve accuracy, precision, recall, confidence interval, and so on. Not just the number of ground truth entries, but also the quality of those entries. So the second thing you can do is improve your test cases and your training. Third thing you can do is use deterministic tools. So automate that quality assurance instead of having a human in the loop. You can have plain old good old software engineering, which does some validation. Say that I predict a blog article, and so I'm generating a draft of a blog article, but we know that there's certain words that we're not allowed to say or certain phrases that we're not allowed to say at our company. You can just have a plain old blacklist, whitelist, allow list, deny list, and apply these deterministic filtering as a post-processing step. Fourth thing that you can do is include deterministic tools in the agent. So this would be the concept of tool usage. This is not the same as post-processing. So with tool usage, the tool will be selectively used by the agent, and then it will feed back into an agent process. So it still will be imperfectly deterministic at the end of the day, but you'll mitigate that risk. So it will be more deterministic, even if not totally deterministic. Fifth thing you can do is take your temperature down to 0, and I recommend this as an intelligent default for all your Gen AI projects. Stick with temperature 0 unless you know what you're doing and you want that temperature to be ramped up. Maybe you want some image generative creativity. Then hallucination becomes a feature, not a bug. Hope this helped. Follow for more.